How to make money at home without working. Getting started. Hi, I'm Ricky Williams. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to get started making money at home without working. In a couple minutes, I'm going to show you how to estimate how much money you can make at your address. But first, let's go through the steps you need to follow to get started. First, you can sign up for a hotspot miner at Helium Network, but it's going to cost you around $500. Or go to my website, sign up for only $99, choose $18 per month lease or a refundable deposit. Lock in your hotspot location and find out how to earn even more money. Click the nationalconsumeradvocate.com/helium-miner link in the description and in the first comment below. This is the web page you'll see when you click through. Your passive income adventure starts here. This is where you get your Helium Hotspot, and you also become a member of iHub Global. That lets you earn even more money as an affiliate. Don't be scared off by the affiliate membership. iHub is pushing this as an incentive to encourage people to build out the Helium Internet of Things network. iHub is perfectly fine with you if you just want a hotspot for yourself and you don't need to promote it to others. But if you do want to earn a little extra money as an affiliate, this opportunity is a pretty easy sell. Anyone who you sponsor gets the same deal you're getting. It only costs them $99 to sign up, and they get to collect easy money every month, just for putting a hotspot in their house, apartment, or business. And don't worry, the bonus commissions you collect as an affiliate don't take any earnings away from the people who sign up through you. If you have family members or friends that could use some extra cash every month, you would be in a position to help them without them feeling like it's a handout. Just don't offer this opportunity to your next door neighbor, even if they're special and you care for them. And don't invite anyone living within 300 yards of your hotspot location. iHub Global doesn't allow hotspots to be reserved that are too close to others, because they would be competing with each other for the networking tasks that build out the network and let you earn money. But before you worry about asking other people to join the Helium Network, you must reserve your own Helium miner and lock in your hotspot location using the link below in the comments. If you sign up with my sponsorship, I will also show you how to increase your earnings by as much as hundreds of dollars per month, or even more. Here are the steps you need to follow. Click on my Helium Miner link. Then click on Join iHub Global. You can watch a short intro video, then click on the Yes, Sign Me Up button. When you go through the sign up, you're going to see this screen. It gives you a choice of either locking in your hotspot with a lease or with a deposit. And this is new. iHub was doing everything for free, but they were having problems because people were getting their hotspots and then not deploying them. So their investors got all upset by that. And so they came up with this plan. So a $99 application fee and either $18 a month lease or $400 deposit. It turns out that the $400 deposit is probably the better way to go unless you just don't have $400. Because if you lease, it's going to cost you $216 a year. In less than 2 years, you're going to have spent that $400. And the $400 is refundable. So it's not like it's a big risk. You know, if this doesn't work out for you, just get your money back. They're adding a antenna, which the 5.8 dBi is like $69 plus shipping and handling. And the 8 dBi antenna is like $89 plus shipping and handling. So a large part of that application fee is already taken care of with getting the antenna. And the antenna is going to help you make more money, so it's not a bad deal. So choose the one that you want here. $18 a month is pretty easy to do, but if you're at all serious about this, you know, I think the $400 deposit is going to make you a lot more money in the long run. Plus, you're going to be able to get it back. When you click through, you'll be asked to fill out a short application form. You'll be asked to create a username. This will create your affiliate link if you want to sponsor a new HubSpot owner. In this example, Lane Smith has chosen MyLane as a username. It can be anything you want, but shorter is better. iHub also sets you up with your own Helium website based on your username. So go ahead and click the I agree to affiliate terms and register. Then click to allow Helium Track to know your location so iHub can verify your hotspot location. Watch the short video if you like. Fill out the reservation form, including where the hotspot will be, if it's at your home or your business location, whatever that address is. And iHub is going to need to verify that installation address. Shipping of your hotspot is currently backlogged and can take up to 2 to 3 months. iHub reserves the right to charge a shipping fee for the hotspot miner. I don't know what that is because they haven't charged me, and I don't know if they're going to charge in the future, but don't be surprised if it comes. And this is where iHub shows your affiliate sign-up link in case you want to sponsor a hotspot owner. You can see in this case that at the end of the link is MyLane. That's the identification for that shows that it's your affiliate link or whatever your username is. And you can check if a hotspot location is available. Just click the green Plan Hotspot button at the upper left there and then enter an address. It can be any address in the US or even in the world. And you're going to see this message if your address already has too many other hotspots around it. Or you'll get a green light notice telling you your hotspot location is good to go. That's more common, at least until the network gets built out. And you can have a virtual mining assessment emailed to people who might be interested. So in this case, we're going with Lane Smith as our example. And this is what the virtual mining assessment would look like once Lane Smith or whoever you send it to opens it up. You can see that there's a spot for him to or her to claim the location with the button in the lower bottom there. And they get 24 hours from the time that you send the email. So if they don't claim it within 24 hours, then someone else can claim that spot. And also it gives you an estimate of what hotspots around are making per month. In this case, it's $322 to $731. And you won't know exactly how much this hotspot will earn until it starts working. And this address was picked randomly in Boise, Idaho. Lane Smith is not real, but the address is real. And so if someone were to get a hotspot at this address in Boise, Idaho, potentially they could make this much money. Or they could make less, or they could make more. It just depends on a number of factors that we'll go into in another video. And speaking of the next video, we'll look more closely at estimating how much you can make with your hotspot by putting one of these small money machines in your home, apartment, or business. And if you can't wait, you can get started right away by clicking the first link in the comments below. If you're getting value from this video, please like and subscribe to my channel to get the latest info about making free money with your hotspot.